Hey there, Seahawks. It's Miss Adams, and in this video, we're going to learn about geometric random variables. A geometric probability distribution of a random variable in which the trial is repeated until a success occurs. Repeated trials are independent of each other. The probability of success is constant for each trial, which means it remains the same. And a random variable represents the number of trials in which the first success occurs. Then we are working with a geometric random variable. The formula is the probability of x is equal to p times 1 minus p raised to the x minus 1. Remember, you could replace 1 minus p with q if you prefer. And in your calculator, in the distribution menu, you would go to geometric PDF. Again, PDF, think of P for precise, and CDF is if we would be combining more than one piece. All right, finding a probability of a geometric random variable. Assume the probability that you will make a sale on any given telephone call is 19%, or 0.19. Find the probability that you make your first sale on the 5th call. So you're going to keep going until your first success. Your first success is going to be on the 5th call. All right, so this is a geometric distribution and not a binomial because I do not have a set number of trials. P stays the same at 0.19. 1 minus P would be 1 minus 0.19, which is 0.81, and X is 5. So if I use my formula, probability of 5 is equal to the probability of success, 0.19, times the probability of failure, 0.81, raised to the x minus 1, so 5 minus 1 would be raised to the 4th. So I'm going to have 4 failures and then a success, okay, which makes sense because my first success is not going to be until the 5th call, which is 0.082. All right, finding the probabilities of geometric random variables. Again, the probability that a bowler rolls a strike is 70%. Find the probability that the bowler rolls his first strike on his 3rd attempt. Okay, so we're going to keep going until the first success. So the first success is going to happen on the 3rd attempt. Probability is 0.7. Probability of failure, Q, which is also 1 minus P, is 0.3. And X is 3. Probability that X equals 3 is probability of success, 0.7, times probability of failure, 0.3, raised to the 3 minus 1, which is to the 2nd. And that would give us 0.063. All right, find the probabilities for a geometric random variable. The probability of hitting a bullseye when playing darts is 36%. Find the probability that a player hits her first bullseye on her 7th attempt. All right, so probability of success is 0.36, failure is 0.64, X is 7. So I'm going to have 1 success and 6 failures. Probability of failure raised to the n minus 1, which gives us 0.025. If we were doing this in a calculator, we would do a geometric PDF, and we would get 0.025. P is 0.36, X is 7. All right, go Seahawks.